Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that you put some ice cubes in a glass, fill the glass with cold water, and then let the glass sit on a table. We're asked to describe how the temperature of the water changes as time passes. Then we're asked to sketch a rough graph of the temperature of the water as a function of the elapsed time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the graph, and we're going to use that to describe how the temperature is changing. So we have T temperature, capital T, over T time. So we want, we have some important temperatures, right? We can say 32 is important temperature. That's the temperature of the ice. And then we went up by 12, so that'll have to be 44 to keep it consistent units on the axis. And let's say the cold water, right? It's not gonna be absolutely freezing. Let's say the cold water is roughly 44 degrees. It doesn't have to be, but pick any value. We're putting in a glass with ice cubes, which means the ice cubes are going to bring it down to their temperature, and then it's going to hold steady until the ice cubes melt. Pretend that this is a straight line. Sorry about that. And then at some point, the ice cubes are going to melt, and it's going to increase in temperature again. And notice as it approaches the temperature of the ice, it slows down, and as it approaches the temperature of the room, it slows down. Doesn't really matter as much as decreasing, constant, increasing. And that is how you use the graph to create a description. And if you're actually doing this on a test or for this homework, then you would write out what I was just saying. But I think it's helpful to visualize it rather than just writing down a whole paragraph.